Good morning everyone. I thought I would vlog today because I haven't done a vlog in a little while. I'm just getting ready. It's like 8:30 in the morning. I'm just going to spray my therapy aura spray, which is like my new morning slash all the time routine. Oh, I love it so much. I haven't done my hair yet, as you can see, and I feel like I need extra glow this morning, so I'm putting on my Smashbox primer and my NARS glowy primer, just mixing those together. The light is very blue in here because it's so early. I don't really, oh, it looks a little bit wet out though, which is a bit of a nightmare. Me and my sister, possibly my parents as well, are going to a pumpkin patch this morning. I've never been to one before, and I know it's like a bit of an Instagram cliche, but I love pumpkins and autumn and Halloween, and it makes me feel kind of festive. So we're gonna take Rocco, who's my sister Jojo's like youngest. He literally won't know or care where we are, but we're gonna go take some photos, have a little walk around. But I'm looking out the window thinking I need to wear wellies because it is wet. I'm gonna use my It Cosmetics CC cream, and purely because I can't be bothered to go wet my sponge, I'm gonna use this Clinique buffing brush, which is really good, but I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus to make it extra kind of dewy. My skin is so bad at the moment. So that's kind of my plans for this morning, and I haven't really got much planned for the rest of the day, but I just thought I would vlog and maybe do a bit of a homey vlog. I forgot to spray my brush. Oh, it definitely makes it a lot more dewy when you do that. Right, I am going to switch off the camera because I can't get ready in silence. I have to watch a YouTube video or listen to a podcast. It's just too boring. So I'm not doing anything different with my makeup today. I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury concealer, which I'm loving, Bobbi Brown bronzer, Charlotte Tilbury blusher, and then probably just like a MAC eyeshadow. I might do like a warm brown eye just because I want to look autumnal. Okay, I'll speak to you in a minute. Okay, I'm ready, and I'm gonna put on this lipstick from Chanel. It's from their new collection. It's in this new like matte black packaging, which is really nice. It's the Rouge à Lèvres Velvet in 68 Emotive. I love the little like push. Oh, it's so satisfying. I'm starting to slowly wear lipstick every now and again. I'm not overdoing it, but as you guys know, I had that awful lip thing for years, and they are better. I ended up using Dipper Base ointment, and it completely cleared them up because there's just nothing in it. So we shall see. Hope it lasts. I'm not going to put too much on, but it's a nice kind of peachy colour. I'm just not used to seeing myself with lipstick anymore. Oh, it smells really good. It smells kind of fruity. I just think it's hard to make real lips. It's hard to make lipstick look good on real lips. A lot of people now have lip fillers, which is fine, whatever, do what you want. But when you have lip fillers, it like plumps them up and makes like them have no lines. So when you see lipstick on other people, you always think, oh my God, that looks like such a nice lipstick. But then you try it on yourself and you're like, oh, no, it doesn't. Because their lips are plumped up and have no lines or any dryness or anything to them. Just a little observation I've made recently. That is the lipstick though, nice colour. Again, it's so blue in here, it looks kind of weird. I'm gonna go downstairs and make some toast, have a little bit of breakfast. We're kind of delaying the trip by half an hour because it's raining, but I think we're still gonna brave it. Oh, I have a delivery from Bloom and Wild. Looks exciting. I have no idea who that's from. First thing I do when I come downstairs is go and open all the blinds. Oh, it says to Lily and Rich, which means that it's not from Rich. I have no idea who these could be from. Oh, it's from Ellie and Will, who are the owners of Herringbone Kitchens, who did our kitchen. Thank you again for choosing Herringbone and for letting us photograph your kitchen. Really looking forward to seeing the photos. Well done on the entire renovation, looks fantastic. Pop in to see us if you're ever in the area. Wow, these are so pretty. Oh, right, I have toast and Marmite for breakfast. Not very exciting at all. I'm gonna sit, have some toast and catch up with some emails. Am I weird that I don't have butter with my Marmite? I just have, and I don't even have much Marmite, I just have like a little bit. It's quite hard to spread without the butter, I'm not gonna lie. Need a bit more. Also, Marmite is one of those things that I go through phases of liking it and not liking it. Ta-da! The most exciting breakfast. Okay, I'm gonna do some emails. Look who's joined me today. Say hello. Or could you say bye-bye? Good performing. We're not sure. Oh dear, this lipstick colour doesn't suit me actually. We're not sure what to do at the moment because it's still raining, so we want to phone and check if it's open, but they haven't got a number on the website. It's very heavily raining, so there's no point going whilst it's like this, so we're going to make a little detour, go to some shops. Oh, it's a phone. Oh, you can pick it up. We're in Marks and Spencer's because Jojo's on a jumper mission. Is it leopard print? It's leopard print. Let's find it. Oh, I like the yellow hat. Wait, I want to try that on. That is nice. Is it soft though? Oh yeah, it's soft. This is the yellow hat. Quite like that. She's found the jumper. Oh yeah, that's nice. What size? Do they have your size? What size am I? You see? Oh, it's a cardigan. Wait, there are jumpers there as well. Wait, should I buy the hat or not?
I think you can go. I think it's nice, but it's a bit of a flat pom-pom.
You know, you're literally wearing a leopard print jumper right now.
Shall I get the pink?
No, we're buying kids' clothes in H&M. This is such a trend now for kids. Tops where it's like the sequins and then you like rub them. I mean, all my nieces and nephews all have them and love them. It's such a weird thing that we just didn't have.
It's not like a boy-girl thing. It's like
no, boys and girls. Okay, next up on our really exciting vlog, Lakeland. What do you need?
This is my dream. I can like everything.
I know, but what do you need? Cupcake cases.
Yeah. But I'm really into making cookies at the moment.
Jojo's the queen of I need something, but I'm going to buy everything else that I don't need.
If you were a cookie, what shape would you be?
Oh my god, there's so many bumblebee ones. It's cute.
So let's buy
Do
one.
Halloween ones.
No, because I want it. Oh, do you know what? I love making gingerbread. So I'll buy a gingerbread man.
There you go.
Yeah.
It's very small. Cupcake cups. Multicoloured. Anything else? I need one of these. I can't really be bothered right now. Guys, this is my garlic crusher that everyone went wild for. It's so good, it just rocks back and forth. Joseph and Joseph, very good. This is probably my favourite section, all the bits that you don't need, like the little things that stick on the edge of corn, avocado cutter.
There's some good gifts if anyone's looking for like teacher gifts.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're really good price. I mean, I'd like that.
Oh, this is what I bought Paul for his birthday. He loved it. The spicery every month, or you can buy like a one-off. You get all the spices and there's like a cookbook and you can make curries. That's a good present as well.
Yeah, they're all of them. It's really good price.
Just in Topshop, and I quite like this jumper, although definitely gonna get makeup around that neckline, but it's very soft. We're in Lush. I haven't been in here for ages. Jojo had to buy a present, so she bought one of these rocket science ones. I'm still gutted that they got rid of my vanilla fountain one, but oh, love it. We were just saying that Lush is like one of the best shopping experiences. It's like so pleasurable to like get the bath bomb and put it in the brown bag and it smells nice. Right, we're having a Leon lunch. I've already finished the chips and I've got meatball lunchbox. And what do you have?
I've got the halloumi wrap, which is very saucy.
I'm just at my mum's and going through my PO box, and IGK sent me this hoodie. Really cool. It says trust issues. Oh dear, spilling everything. And oh dear. And there's like roses and stuff on the back. I love their hoodies. I got one when I went to Miami with them. And it's for this new launch, Trust Issues, which is instant scalp rebalancing treatment. Every product they bring out is always like perfect for my hair. It's definitely one of my favourite hair care brands, so I'm excited to try that. Okay, I just got home, so today's plans didn't quite go to plan. We didn't get to go to the pumpkin patch, which was a shame, and kind of what this whole vlog was going to be based around. So sorry that this vlog hasn't really got much going on, but the weather was just rubbish, and then my sister had like school pickups and stuff to work around. So I've just come home, I've been doing a bit of work, I thought I'd show you. First of all, the Topshop jumper that I got, and then also And Other Stories package has just arrived. They kindly sent me some bits, so I thought I'd show you what I picked out. This was the jumper I got from Topshop. I didn't actually try it on, so I hope it does fit me and suit me. But it's just like this. Got a nice, cozy, grey jumper. It's got like a slight turtleneck. No, oh my god, I always forget what this is called. It's like not quite, it's just like a little bit. I find if it's too much, it's a bit like suffocating. So excited to try that, and I thought I would show you what I got from And Other Stories. Okay, so the first thing is a new pair of trainers, and I just love the trainers that And Other Stories stock, in particular the Nike Internationalists. I've got them in grey and I've got them in yellow, and they're such a great trainer, and it's what I wear most of the time. Like people who buy boots or heels all the time, like what I wear most days are trainers, so I like to have a lot of them. And I thought this colour, I haven't really got anything like it. Oh yeah, those are so nice. So they're in this blue. I've got some parts are suede, some are kind of like waterproof. Really, really nice. I thought those would look great with like jeans, black jeans or blue jeans, which I wear all the time. And I even like trainers with skirts and dresses. These are so comfy. I get them in a size UK 6.5, which is like a 40, I think. See what else is in here. Oh, this is one of their shirts. I've got a stripy shirt from them, which I got like maybe even last year or like back in spring, which I really, really like. So I thought I would try another one of their shirts. And this is just a white shirt. Well, really, really oversized, but with like skinny jeans that could look nice. I need to try it on. Sometimes collared shirts don't suit me, but sometimes they do. So I'm going to try that on. I've heard good things about their white shirts. The next item, oh, I think this is a scarf. So excited to be back in scarf season. It is my fave, and I don't think I've got a navy blue scarf, or is this black? I think this might be black. I don't have a black scarf either. Or maybe it's blue, I don't know. I just thought this would be so handy. Oh, I knew it'd be good. It's a really good length. I like it when I can wrap it like this, but it's not too big. It would go with a camel coat, it would go with a grey coat, it would kind of go with everything. Perfect. I love buying scarves because they always fit. And then I think I've just got one more thing, which is a massive chunky jumper. So glad this stuff came today because I've got a girl coming over tomorrow to take some photos with me, which I haven't done that in ages, and I haven't really got any new clothes to wear. Not that you need new clothes, but I just like not loving my wardrobe at the moment, so this is very handy. This is, oh wow, look, a really nice big chunky jumper in this like gorgeous warm burgundy red. Like actually it's more like a winey red. Perfect for this time of year. Hopefully that would be nice. I like the big wide roll up sleeves as well. That's really nice. That's everything. Jumper, scarf, shirt, trainers. I'm gonna get on now and do a bit of work, and I'll vlog again if there's anything to show you. I'm gonna arrange these flowers, which I should have done earlier, but I was rushing out of the house. I've got these two vases. This one's from Oliver Bonus. This one is from Zara Home. Oh, yeah, this one's Zara Home. These blue and wildflowers. They come with flower food for today and then flower food for day 3. So I'm actually gonna split it between 2 vases because these have quite small openings. So I'm gonna do like small arrangement. Also, I love how these flowers come with these little like things to protect the tops of the flowers. Oh my god, I hope these are going to be okay. I've left them all day. Terrible, terrible of me. All right, let me see how much I need to cut them. I'm going to get doing this and I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, this is the first one. I really like it actually. These purple ones are gorgeous. And then I've also done similar in this vase here. It's nice to spread them around the house. I just messaged Rich, who's on his way back from work, like, what do you want to do for dinner? Because obviously we only get HelloFresh 3 times a week, so tonight's a non-HelloFresh night. We do actually have some stuff we can cook, but he replied saying I fancy pizza. And I'm not going to argue with that. So pizza night it is. We're going to have some Domino's. He said he wants the same as me, which is strange. He never gets the same as me. My order is always pepperoni and mushroom. I'm going to get a small. He's going to get a medium. It's going to be great. I really want to watch tonight as well the Stacey Dooley. Is that her name? Stacey. The Fashion's Dirty Secret, I think it's called. All about fashion industry and the environment, and everyone has said how amazing it is. So I want to watch that. This Is Us is on, but they've changed the time to 11 PM now, which is really annoying. So we always end up watching that on a Thursday. But Rich is actually going away tomorrow. He's going to Stockholm for the night with work. I haven't yet slept in this house alone. I know that sounds really dramatic and lots of people live alone, but I hate being home alone. Like, I'm a real like snuggler in bed. I hate sleeping alone. But that's happening tomorrow and it's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna order pizza now. Very exciting. Didn't know this was gonna happen today. I love it when Rich is like, it's really funny actually, because he messaged me this morning being like, my friend at work watched our what we eat in a day video and couldn't believe how much we eat. He was like, are we pigs? Should we go on a diet? I think we should go on a diet. And then literally this evening, I'm like, what do you want for dinner? He's like, pizza? I haven't pointed it out because I want pizza. But it's very funny. Right, I'll check in a bit. By the way, this IGK hoodie is unreal. I love it. Also, the fact that you can track your delivery on Domino's is by far the best thing ever, and a good reason to order from there. Talk about timing. Pizza just arrived. Same time as the husband.
Yeah, did that on purpose. I just waited.
Are you ready for the big reveal? Oh yeah. Pepperoni and mushroom is the only way. Tell me if anyone else orders this from Domino's. I always think it's really funny hearing people's Domino's orders. I can't stand pineapple or ham on pizza. I do quite like the veggie one, veggie supreme, but this is my ultimate. And then I always pour the garlic and herb dip all over it. Caught in the act. This is not okay.
It's for the crust.
No, it's not. No, it's not. Does anyone else have ketchup with? Also, Rich bought the low sugar salt ketchup, which I just think is gross. No, I have ketchup with a lot of things, not pizza.
Crust.
We just finished watching the documentary. So good, definitely worth watching. It was on BBC Three. We got it on catch up on Sky, but I'm sure you can get it on iPlayer. I definitely have a lot to think about. I mean, it's unfortunate that I watched it during a vlog where I showed you guys a little haul earlier. I actually think, compared to most other YouTubers, I never like buy stuff just for the purpose of doing a haul and stuff, but I'm in no way innocent, and I think, I mean, same as all of my friends, we all have a lot of thinking to do, I think, but as a YouTuber, as someone who has influence or whatever, it's very interesting. And actually, I posted this photo this evening before I even watched the documentary. I posted this photo on Instagram, and it's all about re-wearing old favourites from last autumn winter. So that's very appropriate. But if you're not sure what it's about, it's not actually so much about kind of donating clothes to charity or throwing away clothes. It's actually more about the amount of water and chemicals that are used in making clothes, especially cotton, which is really, honestly, not something I knew about at all. It's crazy. So yeah, have a watch of that documentary. Me and Rich really enjoyed it. Okay guys, I was gonna vlog my skincare routine, but I'm so tired. I have to go to sleep. I can't possibly stay up any longer. So thank you for watching today's vlog. I hope it was okay. Sorry there was no pumpkin patch, but hopefully I'll go another day. You might see that on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.